Now guys, as you know that AI is booming right now, we're in the era of AI, right? And as a content creator, you're always looking for AI tool that you can do a review or you can share with your audience, right? And I know at times you can feel like, oh my God, I'm running out of idea which AI tool I can use, which AI tool I can review for my audience. And guys, today I want to share with you an AI website that you can use to your advantage to find whatever AI tool that you like to review and share with your audience. Now, let's head over to my screen so that I can show you this tool. Now guys, as you can see on my screen here, the AI website that I want to share with you is aitoolsarena.com. And guys, this is a really useful AI tool. And I am using it myself, and I will definitely use it a lot more often, because what I like about this website is that you have a lot of categories. So depending on your niche or your audience or whichever category you want to target within the AI space, you can easily use this website to find a lot of AI tools that you can definitely review or basically try out for yourself, right? So you can scroll down, you can find a lot of AI tools on their website, right? And you can go about checking out a lot of different categories. So if you're looking for AI animation generator, you simply do that and you find a lot of tools there. You can go ahead and you can find things in AI marketing. You can find tools here as well. Let's look at the AI productivity. You have a lot of tools as well. This is very nice, very helpful website. Thumbs up to those who created this website. AI video editor, you can definitely do that as well. So guys, you see the category AI text to speech, very nice. Very nice. AI programming, and you can just easily type in anything, any tools as well. You can definitely find that. And if you don't have any specification, you just want to see all the tools, you can simply just click all, and you can simply go through the page, and then you can also go to the next page and the next page and the next page until you find something interesting. Now what I'm going to do, just to show you what it looks like, I'm going to just simply choose something. So if I go onto the AI chatbot here, let's say I'm curious about AI chatbot and I would like to find something. Now here is one AI tool, right? There's one called Chatmate AI. I don't know what is this, but let's click on that. You can easily click on it and it will give you information about this AI tool, definitely. And you can definitely visit the website. Definitely a good way, definitely good way, right? So I really like it, guys. I really find it useful. You can easily use this AI website to find a lot of tools, and you can go ahead and you can check out some of these tools, play around with them, and if you find something very interesting, you can easily share this with your audience. A very brilliant website. And for me, sometimes I run out of ideas of which AI tools I can review. And guys, once you find an AI tool that you really find interesting, you can simply put it into Google Trends or vidIQ and see if it's worth targeting, that you can easily jump on early and make videos so that you can rank up your views and your subscription for your channel. Now guys, if you find some value within this video, I'd really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments below that you find some value. That will help this video to go out more, right? So more people can see it. And as well, if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe to see much more videos coming out every week like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time for another video.